Hi, it's Mike Pangia, and today's subject is going to be a Caesar salad. I'm especially pleased to share this with you because it's been a long-time favorite of many of my friends and family. Now, you don't often see me use a garlic press, but this is the one application where it's really good, it's really appropriate. What I'm going to do is use the garlic press to help make some garlic infused olive oil, which we'll be using for Caesar salad, roasted vegetables, and many other things in an Italian oriented kitchen. This time I won't be mincing or slicing the garlic. I'll be cutting it into chunks to use with the garlic press. I'm adding pure extra virgin olive oil, then cutting the garlic cloves into chunks that'll fit nicely into the garlic press. Now we'll put a couple of chunks into the garlic press and start. I clean off these little pieces that come out the bottom of the garlic press and then open it up, and for these applications I scoop out what's left inside and dump it into the oil. Let's see what we've done. Take a look. So now we stir it up and we'll have an incredibly flavorful olive oil to work with on our Italian dishes. For Caesar salad, we need croutons. And the best croutons are ones that we make fresh ourselves. So I'm going to take some of my own sourdough bread, which you've seen in my video on making sourdough bread, I hope. Trim off the crust and make cubes so that we can fry them and toast them and make some really nice croutons. Okay, now what we're going to do is use some of that garlic infused oil that we made. Put a little in the bottom of the pan and toast our croutons. Now the trick is to just keep turning them till they're toasted on all sides. For our Caesar salad, we're going to need salt, fresh ground pepper, romaine lettuce, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, 1 whole egg, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and anchovies if desired. Let's put it together. The order that you assemble this Caesar salad is important. So let's get the sequence right. We start, of course, with the romaine lettuce, which is the base of the salad. I prefer the leaves to be torn like this rather than chopped with a knife. Some people like it chopped better, and in the food restaurant business they call that a chopped salad. This is a torn salad. Next, we'll add the salt and pepper. For a really good Caesar salad, the pepper should be generous and freshly ground. At this point, you should toss, get the salt and pepper evenly distributed. You'll recall that earlier we made a garlic infused olive oil, and now is the time to add it to our salad. Every time we add anything, we should toss it to get it evenly distributed. Now we're coating all of the lettuce leaf pieces with the oil. That's the purpose. Next, we're going to add an egg. It is raw, but the subsequent addition of the lemon juice, as you'll see, will oxidize it, which is like cooking it, and it'll turn it into a part of the creamy dressing that we all love on our Caesar salad. And pour that over the top of the lettuce, and quickly add the lemon juice right on top. Now, we want to get right to tossing so that we can start that action of oxidizing. And you'll see as you go, the dressing will turn creamy as the acid in the lemon juice acts on the egg. Let me scoop out a little of the liquid to show you what I mean. See, it's rather creamy and well emulsified. Next, we'll add some grated parmesan. I use the box grater with the holes that make the thin slivers. So I get a cheese with a texture like this. So we'll grind about 1/4 cup on the box grater. And mix that in. Toss it. Planning ahead, I'm going to use the largest holes on the box grater to make some Parmesan pieces to sprinkle on the top of the finished salad at the time we serve it. It looks like this. This is the point where if you wanted to add anchovies, you'd snip 2 or 3 fillets into 1/2-inch pieces and put them in. I don't have any available today, so we're going to skip that step. Instead, we'll add the croutons at this point. You want to hold off on the croutons till you're about ready to serve it, because you don't want them to become soggy. Okay, now another little enhancement that I like to do when I'm serving a salad is I keep these salad bowls in the freezer until I'm ready to serve. So let me get one out and we'll put this together and show you what it looks like. Nice cold salad bowl to help keep our Caesar salad crisp and cold. Now remember the coarser grated cheese that we saved for the top. There it is. And here's the finished presentation. I hope you enjoyed that and will add Caesar salad to your repertoire. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.